If you can master communication, then this will be a big domino for your life success. I'm Joms and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence, and pag-uusapan natin dito on mastering communication skills and why it is key for personal and professional success. So, ano ba yung mga signs na hindi maganda yung communication skills mo? Is number one is madalas nagkakaroon kayo ng misunderstandings. Sa work man yan, sa mga classmate mo man, or sa relationship mo ngayon, or sa kahit sa nililigawan mo. So, with that one, a lot of conflicts ang mangyayari. So, palaging, dahil nga may misunderstandings, nagkakaroon ng conflicts. So, lagi kang nakikipag-ahaway or merong mga kaunting initan, alam mo yun. And number 3 is feelings of frustration. Kasi nga, because na feeling mo people do not understand you. But I want you to check yourself on how you communicate things with people around you. Kanya. So, if magpatuloy itong poor communication skills mo is number 1, you'll struggle to connect with others. So, communication is our way to communicate with other humans. To connect with other humans because people are made to connect with people. So, communication is essential part of connection. Number 2, your relationship may suffer from poor communications. Again, walang nabubuhay na relationship na healthy kung walang communication. So, with proper communication, with healthy communication, then doon nagtatrive yung relationship. And number 3, you'll miss opportunities for collaboration and growth. Again, this is for your personal business, personal projects, ganyan. If you don't know how to communicate well, then sayang yung mga opportunities na makukuha mo. Sayang yung opportunities for your growth. So, importante ito because this is essential for building strong relationship. Because everything that happens in the world, hanggat tao ka, you need to build relationships in order for you to survive. In order for your bloodline to survive. So, how can you practice effective communication? Now, I have this book. I read this book called How to Win Friends and Influence People. And sobrang nakakatulong siya on how you can improve your communication skills. Isa doon na tinuro is how to be a active listener. Kung paano mo ma-utilize yung active listening. Ibig sabihin, present ka in the moment. Hindi lumilipad yung isip mo habang nakikipag-usap sa tao. And another thing is being interested rather than being interesting. Ibig sabihin nun, you let people share their stories rather than ikaw lang yung bida, ikaw lang yung kwento ng kwento. So, you need to be curious about people. Ganyan. And then, when it comes to communication skills, then practice. Parang in-emphasize doon yung practice. You need to talk to people in order for you to know kung ano yung pwede mo pang improve and kung ano yung nag-work currently sa'yo. Kasi, walang tao na magaling agad makipag-usap. Gumagaling lang sila kapag marami na silang kinakausap. So, if you want to improve your communication skills, then, you might want to talk to a lot of people. Ganun siya. Huwag mo na makausapin yung sarili mo kasi kung palaging sarili na lang yung kausap mo, bias yun. And then, if you master communication, you'll foster deeper connections. Number 2, you'll resolve conflicts more effectively. Kumbaga, kahit magkaroon mo kayo ng conflicts, hindi naman talaga mawawala yung misunderstandings. However, you can solve it faster and in a healthy way if you can communicate well and you can listen well. Ganyan. And number 3, you'll enhance your professional opportunities. It's because madali ka kausap. In the business world, gusto nila yung mga madaling kausap because sa business, speed is a key for success. So, yun lang. I hope this video helps. I know, nag-yap-yap lang ako dito. Meron ako dito mga bullet points and I'm just here to enhance my speaking skills sa camera and try to give as much value na naiisip ko dito sa YouTube channel ko. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. For sure, after this series of videos, gumagawa kasi ng 50 videos, guys. After this series of video, check ko yung feedback and also kung ano yung need ko pa improve and for sure, mag-improve naman ako for the next few videos pa. So, yun lang. Let's go. Thank you so much.